Hey, you got the Saginaw. She's coming inbound. Just went through the lift bridge. Just wanted to give you a different perspective. Looking towards the hill there in Duluth. She's making her way into the harbor. Launched in 1953, 639 feet in length. She is on her way to the CN dock to load iron ore pellets. 41 degrees. You can actually see that fog really starting to set in even as we're looking at it here for the last few seconds. Unique looking vessel, old school Laker. Give you a look over here. Just had some clouds really roll in, and then there's a combination of fog, light rain coming down right now. Wanted to show you this beautiful backside here, looking into the bay, looking into the harbor. This is just down from the south pier here. Beautiful flowers here. Take a look. Got a little bit of snow coming down. Forget the rain. Well, it went from rain to snow pretty quick. Well, you got some flowers, you got a boat, and you got some snow. And some fog. Quadruple combo.